Dear friends, today we will talk about piles. Piles are hemorrhoids. These are generally it is a constitutional problem because of bad conditions of life. That is, lifestyle is not perfect. They don't attend nature call on time. They postpone all junk food they eat. They don't sleep properly. For such people, they sit for long hours without exercise. For such people, piles is a common affair after 20-25 years. In homeopathy, mind plays an important role for all kinds of diseases. Here, the piles will never come to children. Even up to 16, 17, 18 years, children, they never get piles complaint. When the piles comes means the jealousy is set in. Jealousy or envy is set in the mind of the people. So, the jealousy generally commonly present after 18 years. If it is beyond the limit, then the jealousy goes and settles down at the anus. Then the problem starts. It converts into piles. Piles is nothing but inflammation of the veins that is present at rectum. Rectum are the end of the large intestine. So, those who has got more jealousy, more wickedness and unhappiness over the other people, they cannot enjoy if somebody is happy. This kind of mindset comes to the people only after the age of 18, 19, 20. Why then only selfishness increases. Up to that time, people are innocent and happy. They love each other. Nowadays, of course, the children are also getting this envy, jealousy and other things. So, one must be happy, love each other, then the piles problem will not be there. This is a constitutional and generally accompanied by constipation. For that we give medicines. 1 dose of Naxwamika 30 in the evening. Next day morning 1 dose of sulfur 30. Continued for several weeks. Will cure a large majority of cases of piles. This is the piles case. Give Naxwamika 30 in the evening at bedtime. Next day morning give 1 dose of sulfur 30 for several weeks. This can cure the piles or hemorrhoids that comes after the age of 20. Pulsatilla 30 may be given when much mucus is discharged. Along with stool, poop, much mucus. The fecal matter contains much mucus. In such cases, Pulsatilla 30 may be given when much of the mucus is discharged, with or without being mixed with blood. Then Aesculus hypocastinum. Aesculus hypocastinum is the medicine. Then pain will be very much, pain is there, and the piles will come out of the anus. From the rectum, the piles will protrude into outer side. For such cases, as Aesculus. Aesculus is the medicine. Give it in 30 potency daily 2-3 doses for a long time, for 1 week or 2 weeks. And if there is a bleeding piles, always bleeding, whenever they go for toilet, first blood comes, dark red blood comes out of the inflammatory veins at the end of the rectum. In such cases, Hemamillis 30 is the chief remedy for this kind of bleeding piles. There may be other symptoms and other medicines may also be required, but as a first aid method, try all these 4 medicines. You will definitely be success with Nux vomica and sulfur if you use it for a long time. And you should change your habits of the day-to-day habits. What are the day-to-day habits to be changed? Drink more water, eat more green vegetables, green leaves, and sleep at least 8 hours in a day. Do good exercise, go for a walking, think positive, love everybody. These are the things to be followed. Then the piles will disappear with these simple remedies. No need of any surgery. Thank you one and all.